Hi all, welcome to Numeriq Learning. So in today's video, let us see part 3 of algebraic identity, the identities for the cube of a binomial. So the identity is nothing but a plus b the whole cube. So this is the identity for cube of a binomial term. So you can write the identity is a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, or you can also open the brackets and expand it further, which will get you to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, so this is the first one, and the second one is a minus b the whole cube. Right, it's nothing but a cube minus b cube minus 3ab multiplied by a minus b. Or you can even open the bracket. So a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay. Now compared to these two versions of the identities for cube of a binomial, okay, the first one is easier because a plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So all of the three places you have got plus, and even in a minus b the whole cube you have got a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into, so all of these are negative. So it's very easier to identify, right? So always remember the first version, and then it's very easy for you to write the second one. Okay, expand it further. So let us do some questions based on this. The very first question is expand. Okay, the question is expand the following. The first question is 2x plus 3y the whole cube. Again, you will have to use a plus b the whole cube, which is nothing but a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, so let us do this. So a is nothing but your 2x, okay, and 3y is nothing but your b, right? So a cube, that is 2x the whole cube plus 3y the whole cube plus 3 multiplied by ab, that is 2x into 3y, okay, multiplied by a plus b, which is nothing but 2x plus 3y. Okay, so you can write it as 2 cube 8 x cube plus 27y cube plus 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18 xy multiplied by 2x plus 3y. So let us open the bracket and write 8x cube plus you have your 27y cube plus 18 into 2 36 x square y plus 18 into 3 54. Okay, 54 x y square. So you have expanded it, right? The question was in the form of a plus b the whole cube, and you have expanded it in the form a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, so here this is your expanded form. This is your expanded form, and this is your compressed form. Okay, so in today's video we will continue doing some problems so that these identities are completely memorized by you. Okay, these two are very, very important, right? Let's continue. You can pause the video and try to do this question. Okay, let's move on to another one. The next question is, suppose you are asked to expand. The question is expand, okay, 2a minus 3b the whole cube. So what would be the algebraic identity that you would apply? Again, a minus b the whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Open the bracket, so you will get a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, so instead of a you will put 2a. So 2a the whole cube minus, instead of b you will write 3b. 3b the whole cube minus 3 into a square, that is 2a square into 3b plus 3, instead of a you will write 2a, into b, instead of b you will write 3b the whole square. Now you will have to just open the bracket. So 2 cube is 8 a cube, okay, minus 27b cube minus, okay, so 3 into 4, 2 square is 4, so 4 into 3 12, 12 into 3 is it correct? 3 into 4 12, 12 into 3 is nothing but 36. So 36 a square b plus 3 2s are 6, 6 into 9 54, 54 a b square. Okay, so this is your final answer. Correct? So this is your final answer. Always whenever you are given the question, please make sure you write the identity, okay, with which you can expand. Okay, so let us move to the next question. The next question is factorize, or you have to solve 104 the whole cube without doing any multiplication. So how will you do it? Again, you can write this as 100 plus 4 the whole cube. Okay, write the identity again. So a plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Let's apply this. So it's nothing but 100 plus 4 the whole cube equal to 100 the whole cube plus 4 cube plus 3 into 100 into 4 multiplied by a plus b, which is 104. Okay, so 100 the whole cube. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 64 cube is 64 plus, you'll have to do this multiplication. So 4 3s are 12, 1200 multiplied by 104. Will you be able to solve it now? You just have to add it up. Okay, so I'm leaving it to you. You will solve this and put the answer in your comments. I will reply and check it. Okay, so this is your homework for the day. You'll have to solve and find out what is the answer for 104 the whole cube. You just have to add and then multiply. Okay, the next question is again your homework. The question is nothing but what is 999 the whole cube. So how will you be able to do it? Let me give you a hint. It is nothing but 1000 minus 1 the whole cube, right? So you'll have to expand it using a minus b the whole cube, which is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, which is nothing but a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, so your 1000 minus 1 the whole cube will be equal to 1000 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into a is nothing but your 1000 square into 1 multiplied by 1 plus 3 into 1000 multiplied by 1 square. Okay, so you'll have to solve this. You have to solve and find out the answer. It's very easy. So 3 1 2 3 minus 1, okay, minus 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, okay, plus 3000. Correct? This is 3000. So you'll have to just subtract it. Okay, so whatever your answer you're getting, that will be your final answer, right? So I hope you have all understood about a plus b the whole cube and a minus b the whole cube. So here the next one will be to factorize it. Okay, so far what you were saying, you were converting the compressed into expanded form. So the next question is you have to factorize. Okay, factorize. The question is 8x cube. Okay, just a second. Yeah, 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 36x square y plus 54x y square. Okay, so the minute you see this question, you should be able to relate this identity is something which is nothing but the expanded form of a plus b the whole cube, which is nothing but a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, let us do it. So you are given, this is your a cube, b cube, this is your 3a square b, x square y, and this is your xy square, ab square term. Okay, so now let us write. So how can you write 8x cube? You can write it in the form of 2x the whole cube plus 27y cube can be written as 3y the whole cube. After that you forget the question. Write it. Look at only this. Okay, so this is your A, this is your B. Once you have identified what is A and B from the given question, stop looking at it. You don't have to look at it. Okay, so you can write it as 3 into A square, 2x the whole square multiplied by 3y plus 3 into 2x into 3y the whole square. You can just validate it. Okay, so see here. Okay, the first one is correct, 8x cube. Second one, 3y the whole cube, 27y cube. 3 into 4, 12. 12 into 3, 36, x square y. This is also correct. The next one, 3 square, 9. 9 2s are 18. 18 3s are 54. This is also correct. Isn't it? So this is nothing but, you can write it as 2x plus 3y the whole cube. So this is your final answer. You have factorized it. Or you can also write it 3 times, like 2x plus 3y as in terms of the factors, product of the factors. So 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y. So you have written it as a product of the factors, or you can even leave it like that. Okay. So this is something which I wanted to tell you in today's class. In the next class, what we will see is, let me again as a summary, okay, the summary of today's class. The two identities that we learnt is a plus b the whole cube, which is nothing but a cube plus b cube plus 3ab is a plus b. Okay. So now there is another identity which is nothing but the sum, the identity for the sum and the difference of the cubes. Now from here we can write the sum of the cubes, that is a plus b the whole cube. See, if you are asked a plus b the whole cube, you have to take this plus 3ab to the other side. So it will be nothing but a plus b the whole cube, okay, minus 3ab into a plus b, right? Okay, so this is nothing but here. And what will be the difference of the cube? A cube minus b cube will be equal to a minus b the whole cube plus. Okay, so this term will go to the other side. So it will become plus 3ab into a minus b. Is it clear? So you have questions based on, this is an identity of the sum and difference of the cubes. Sum and difference of the cubes. Okay. So using this identity also, we'll solve a few problems in the next video. Hope you liked it. Please do comment if you understood, and if you like my video, if there are any suggestions, you're most welcome to post it as well. Do share, do subscribe, and let's continue learning. Thank you.